guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a quick clean with me where I'm going to be tackling the kitchen, living room, and the disastrous toy room. You're also going to see some pretty awesome teamwork in this one. The girls helped me out in the toy room, which they are so cute, so just wait till you see them in action. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kat, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. For a tack of the kitchen, Chris is going to help me hang up a very special personalized picture sent to me from Mapiful. Thank you, Mapiful, for sending me such a special gift, showing the unique alignment of the stars on our wedding night. Guys, it is so cool. It is right down to the exact coordinates of where we said I do. It is super neat and by far my favorite piece of artwork in our home. Make sure you check out the description below for the link to the Mapiful site where you can go and create your own one-of-a-kind star map, zodiac, or street map. It is super easy to use, and it is super easy to create a unique poster of any place or night close to your heart, from the location to the design, right down to the text. Honestly, guys, I love mine, and I was so shocked at how large it was. 18 by 24, and I paired it with a classy back frame. Oh, I just love it. And it's also now in the perfect spot. Thanks, Chris. Let me know in the comments below if you have a Mapiful of your own, and if you don't, you definitely have to check them out. Most importantly, make sure once you have entered the Mapiful site, you select your proper country and don't worry about the shipping because it's free worldwide shipping.
Nobody knows how to find us. It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost out here, no one else out here. Find ourselves out here. We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here, lost forever. Love being stuck here with you.
I've had a couple people asking why I put my food in this container, and here in Ontario, we compost all of our food waste. We only have garbage pickup every other week and compost every week. So to keep down on our trash, I always compost. And it just so happens that my KitchenAid mixer came with 2 bowls, so I use my second stainless steel bowl instead of the plastic container that they usually provide, just because it's kind of gross and stinky. And with the stainless steel one, I just know when I clean it, it gets super clean. So I use that, and actually a pot lid for one of my pots. So that is what I use that for, and that is why you will always see me putting food into that container.
No one else out here, find ourselves out here. We could disappear into this atmosphere where this water's clear, yeah. We don't have to go back to what we used to. Rather just stay, make a new life with you. Must be fate, must be a sign. This must be fate, must be a sign. So lost here.
Chris is so funny. I literally, guys, did not even know that he did that until I edited this video.
Stuck here with you.
Nothing feels better than a clean, fresh smelling house, especially when I didn't have to do it by myself. I have some black raspberry vanilla scentsy wax warming up in my scentsy warmer, and I'm ready to just sit back and relax and take control this evening and get these little munchkins in bed. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.